So this is actually my first time playing Johnny since he got nerfed, and holy shit, this is not the treatment he deserved at all. I just want to try it out, and yeah, I'm basically regretting my mistakes already.
Y'all need to start pulling your weight around. This is getting old.
This feels like, this should be illegal. I know, like, Johnny's sticking to you when he's like slapping is like fucking bullshit and all. But this is not how you nerf someone. This is how you fucking throw someone in the garbage. Anyway, I'm hearing noises down there. The door is open already, so I'm just waiting for them to unlock it. I'm like an apex predator waiting.
Don't run. You know.
2 hits. Just like the old days. Yeah, this guy's bad. Yeah, no, let's not count this. I think this guy's a little bit inexperienced.
It's only gonna hurt for a minute. Go ahead and hide. It ain't gonna matter.
That's around.
Oh, you leaving so soon?
Okay, Nancy's already chasing. I'm not gonna bother. Where's? Oh, of course. Okay, thank you. Never mind. I actually like how he's looking at the ground when he's using his ability. I'm not sure if this was a thing before, but it's a neat little touch. I really like it. But who the fuck is gonna play Johnny after this nerf? No footies yet, so it's gonna feed little grandpa here. They also fixed this finally. I mean, yeah, it's fixed. It's fixed. There's just a little neat thing to look around with the camera when you're feeding grandpa from his right side. Oh, hi. This is so poopy. I'm a snail. I'm a fucking snail.
Listen now. Everybody's time comes eventually.
I had sex with your sister. How do we feel? Okay, that's no, that's not a hit. Much rated in Razor.
This is too
yeah, fuck me. This map still remains the most victim-sided. I don't care what y'all say. No fucking way. This is not a nerf. This is fucking bullying Johnny. When they said slower the speed, don't make him go like a snail. That was just bullshit, bro. Oh, nice skirt shot right there. Whew. Screw you, Nancy. Bro, why are we acting like NPCs? What is this? God damn, bro. Let's be honest, if I were playing against actually some sort of decent victims, yeah, Johnny would literally be a joke. They didn't nerf him, they destroyed him. I feel like Scout has like a less use now than Johnny. He'll still go fast, but when I try to swing, yeah, what? Yeah, okay, this is just... Oh god. That's why I took all my endurance away from my attribute points and I waste them all on strength. Because yeah, at least hitting still satisfaction. Yeah, these people are just inexperienced, but holy shit. If I were playing against real decent victims, this would not be funny for me at all. Yikes. Yeah, GG, wow. This Johnny nerf is awful. Fuck. Yeah. I love you, Johnny, but you're a fucking F tier now. Ongi.